Hey scientists, grab those lab coats and goggles as today we're going to show what we know about the changing weather. Let's get into it with our essential questions. Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today. Pause the video and read the essential questions now as a class. This activity, you'll pick key terms and concepts. You'll be given either a sentence or a word on the side here. You will have to decide which answer matches this description the best. If you are not sure, you have two things up here that can help you solve. Let me show you what happens. If you get the answer correct, you'll click it. No matter which one, you can change your mind. But once you lock it in, you'll hit the next arrow. And if you get it right, you'll get a little circle. If you get it wrong, so if we hit phases of the moon, you'll still continue on, but at the end, your score might be a little bit messed up. If you aren't sure what the clue or what the correct answer would be, you can use your hint or 50-50. Your hint will give you something like this. All types of weather of moisture. Well, I know rain and snow are moisture, so I could lock that one in. And if I still wasn't sure after my hint, I could use a 50-50 and it would help me cut it down to two options that I could select from. At the end, you'll get a score to show how well you did on your review. Good luck, scientists. And after about 5 minutes of playing, come back and I'll explain how to do the concepts. It's important to read the concepts at the top of the page because these are specific things that we are trying to learn throughout our unit. In each of your key concepts, you'll be given a passage and an illustration. Your illustrations will come with specific directions and an example sentence to show you what they're looking for you to draw. Your passage will be similar in the way that you'll be having to do a fill-in-the-blank activity. You'll be given a word bank at the bottom to complete this. For your guided practice today, you are going to go through and read these together as a class. If you get called on to read and you have to read a sentence with a blank space in it, just say the word blank. For instance, it is constantly blank. Then you guys will discuss with your table groups or with a partner nearby. And on your whiteboards, you'll choose one of the word bank choices down here to fill in your bank, to fill in the blank. Your teacher will then instruct you to hold up your whiteboards and you'll lock in your answers. After you complete this, scientists, you'll be able to show what you know in the final assessment for this unit. So make sure you pay attention in this review activity. And good luck, scientists. I'll see you.